I thought our performance was excellent tonight. You know, I have to thank firstly the supporters that turned up tonight, but it wasn't a great support, so the intensity of the game had to come from us. I spoke about that pre-match, and I thought the players were terrific. You know, we train with intensity every single day, so it's part of their DNA, and their attitude tonight to the game was really, really good. I was just disappointed we lost the goal 3 minutes from time, because during the course of the game, you know, Hartlepool, who are a good side, really created no chances. You know, I thought our shape, our pressing game were excellent, and really after the first goal we should have added on 2 or 3 occasions to that. And you know, when you're winning 1-0 in a cup tie, it's always a precarious position, and of course from the corner they scored the goal, but our response to that was excellent. You know, it's difficult when there's the prospect as well as a manager of facing extra time, because the changes you make can have a big bearing on you going in to the extra time period, and it's a balancing act, and they made some definite changes in the respect of to go a little bit gung-ho, and it meant whenever we won possession we could always exploit them, and I felt that if any time we got good possession we would exploit them, and that was very evident. I thought in the last 10 minutes of the game, every time we broke we looked like we'd score, and again a really strong performance, and again Big Leon, what can you say about him, eh? You know,
think of something.
I think of something, yeah. You know, he's a striker of phenomenal quality at this level, and he scored 2 excellent goals tonight, and you know, he's a big player for us, and of course you know, when he's out the team he is missed, there's no doubt about that, but you know, I thought all in all a great team performance tonight.
And arguably their goalkeeper was MLM.
Yeah, he had a save from Leon in the opening 10 minutes of the game, which was a world-class save. You know, and I thought he was excellent throughout, their goalkeeper, and you know, he made some crucial saves to deny us getting that vitally important second goal. But all in all, I'm really, really pleased with the team tonight, because these are difficult games. Trust me on this, and you should never underestimate a team from the lower league. They can always be the upset, and getting through now, and we can look forward to a championship game where all the pressure's on Barnsley, but we've got a definite chance.
And Callum could have got a couple of goals tonight, didn't
he? He could have, and I had to take him off in the latter part of the game. He was struggling with his groin, so you know, I hope he gets no reaction to that, because obviously going to Swindon at the weekend, you know, I think that he'll be a vital part of the team, so you know, hopefully there's no reaction from that.
You mentioned the size of the crowd. What difference can it make to players?
Well, I think that you know, when the stadiums are empty, you know, sometimes it can be difficult for a player to raise his game. You know, but the attitude of my players tonight was quite phenomenal, and I'm really proud of them for that, because you know, I said to them in the dressing room before the game that we have to apply ourselves in the way that we train, and if we train in that way it becomes part of the DNA of a player, and you know, I think that was evident tonight. You know, we were so aggressive in our pressing, so aggressive in our play, and I was really, really delighted with them on what was a difficult night, because all the pressure tonight is with Coventry City, there's no doubt about it, and it's about handling that pressure, and the young players handled that very well tonight.